Hello, I am Dr. Monica, a midwife of consciousness, the founder of Feminine Presence, Coaching the Feminine Way, and the co-creator of Creative Questions. Welcome to my site. My purpose is be and radiate, and this is what I would like to support you in your journey of awakening, spiritually talking, through your daily life. I will offer you to have the support that is needed to really let go of the old you and to open up to the new you, so you can enjoy your magnificence and your fulfillment and your natural joy, abundance and pleasure and beauty that you are at the core of yourself. In gratitude for you to visit my site, I would like to give you a gift that is called the Worthiness Kit, for you to begin to build the sense of worthiness that is natural in you to begin with. So you're just going to invoke, to call that frequency, so you can start to allow your heart desires, so you can truly enjoy your life fully and completely. Thank you for your visit. Please fill up your name and email address so we can stay in contact. Enjoy your gift and let me know your progress. Thank you.